Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, stick with me to the end of this video. I'm just going to show you how to spruce up your home with some DIY cushion that I've made here at home. The steps are really simple. I've got the instructions of a YouTube video and it's so simple. So here I just measured out 17 centimeters. Actually what I did, I measured it 17, but it's 16. The cushion is 16 because I will be needing the space to stitch. So once I measured it out, I used my chalk to mark it and then use my scissors to cut it out. Guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment and share. And to my returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. As you can see from here, I went ahead and made a duplicate of the first cutout that I've made. The second cutout, I actually did it a little bit different, but to be honest, it gives the same result. So for the first cutout, I cut it even. For the second cutout, I cut one at one length and then the other just a little bit longer. So once I finish, I just find a section where I want to cut it, not particularly in half, but to a section where I can cut it so I can stitch one section onto one end and then the other to the other. I got my safety pins. Actually, you can pick these up from the pound store, but I got them from Dunelm. They were £1.75 and I think there are 80 pieces in them. I prefer these little ones. You can use the ones definitely with the colored tags just to give you a better guide as to where they are. I like them a lot, to be honest to you. Yeah, so what you do is just stitch or hold in the pins into the seam to make sure everything is in the correct line, and then from there just put it onto your machine. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I did use my sewing machine. I think this is last year when I did my I think my slip cover. I had to stitch them because the slip cover, they were a little bit too slack to put on the chair when I did my epoxy table. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below or up in the corner. So all the items that I've used today, I've listed them down below. I haven't bought anything because the material that I'm using actually from my upholstery that I did on my two stool that I sold on Facebook Marketplace. I'll leave a link with those two videos below. Those are the stools that I've actually upcycled, and I flipped the makeup table and stool. You can keep the tacks in just to make sure that everything flushes and looks nice. I tend to, once I'm not sewing, as soon as I get the material off the machine, I tend to use my scissors just to trim along the edge so I don't get any unnecessary thread hanging over. So once I was finished here, I did the same thing, you know, hem it back and you know, stitch it, and then from there I just flip it over, and then, you know, this is what I got from the result. I mean, it's a quick and simple DIY to spruce up your chair, your sofas, your, you know, outdoor furniture. It's summer, the sun is nice, you can do so many things with cheap materials. And also Dunelm has loads of cheap materials. They're stopped doing the cut material in store. You would have to purchase it online. But yeah, this is what the end result looks like. I'm really pleased with it. I made two because I didn't have enough material, and I just put it with this cushion that I got from Wilko. This cushion I got from last year, I think. But yeah, it looks really nice, and you can't tell that I got these from basically DIYing them. You can't tell. Guys, thank you so much for checking out my video, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.